Good morning guys, it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning. We have to head for the breakfast quick because the place closes by 8. Let us hurry up. What's up guys, welcome back to Run Ram Run. Today's idea is gonna be using this 500 rupees for 3 different meals for the entire day. Nothing more than 500, let's see if it works or not. So guys, we are currently at Nani's Tiffins. This place is located at Tangburn and they've got amazing dosas and idlis. My personal favorite here is the pizza dosa there. But let's check with them what is their speciality. स्पेशल डोसा कौन सा है?
नानी स्पेशल क्रीम
हाँ
और शेजवान चीज क्रीम अच्छा रहता है।
बढ़िया, एक चीज क्रीम बना दो। एक हाँ। So the idea was to eat keema with roti at Paradise, which is supposedly open from 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning. But recently they changed it up and it's only open on Saturdays and Sundays. So there's a sudden change of plan and we came to much more amazing place, I would say, which is less explored than Paradise. So yeah. So for a change, we didn't order pizza dosa this time. It is cheese cream dosa that he told is amazing here. But he also gave us a different kind of cheese cream dosa. One, he put just the cheese, but in the other, he also put the Szechuan sauce in it. Let's try how it is. I'm sure it's going to be amazing because I have tried the pizza dosa here, Nani special dosa, which is also amazing. So for the first time, I'm trying the cheese cream dosa and I'm sure you're going to love it and I'm going to love it too. It's freaking hot. The weather is hot and so is the dosa. Let's see how it tastes now. Hints of garlic, cheese, the Chinese Szechuan sauce. Let me try once more. Man, this is really good, man. Amazing. So guys, we have stopped at Bawarchi for biryani. They say it's paradise, but trust me, this is the emperor of biryani. With IPL happening, they've got some IPL combos menu as well with a different combo for each of the teams, and I seem to like the Royal Challengers Bangalore combo. So first let's check how much we've got left in our pockets. I think we had 100 in the morning, so we should be left with 400. Oh yes, left with 400. Let's check what we're gonna get here. So after seeing the menu, I have ordered a mini mutton biryani. Mini, it actually is good enough for one person. You can eat your heart full and there won't be any wastage, absolutely. Now, why I have chosen Bawarchi when there are so many other biryani places in Hyderabad? 1. The price. 2. The taste. 3. The ambience might not be so well, but it's worth compromising for both the taste as well as the price. I have come here with my friends. Let me introduce you guys to them. Let me show them to you. Okay, to the right it is Nikhil there.
Hello.
And to the left it's Aditya. What the fuck? Looks yum. We have ordered double masala, by the way. As delicious as ever. Guys, the biryani is here. Why aren't you taking your masks off? Ma Qasam, the biryani was amazing. Whenever I look for a biryani, the first thing is that the pieces should be tender, and the second one, the aroma. Then nothing can stop me. So after a heavy lunch, definitely we have a craving for something sweet. You have two options. An amazing double ka meetha here that will be just around 50 rupees, or my favorite, paan. So the biryani costed here around 110 rupees and I paid through cash, you know that. But one more thing is that they accept only cash or cards and no e-pay. So one more crazy advantage of Bawarchi is that it is just 1 minute away from the RTC Crossroads metro station. Makes it easily accessible if you are traveling using a metro as well. Bhaiya, ek sweet pan. Thank you.
Welcome.
So after a heavy day, we wanted to complete it light. So we thought of finishing it with a chaat. Right now we are at Sri Narsingh Chaat Place, which is more like a chaat street right opposite the General Bazaar and near to the James Street police station. We've got some lip smacking chaat here. I have ordered myself, dahi puri, and my friends got dahi papri for themselves. And this chaat right in front of me It's just 50 rupees. Let's try how it is. You want to try this out? It's very pleasantly sweet and so chilling in your stomach. Perfect way to end your day. My friend insisted me to even taste the second one and give more expressive thoughts about it. Wow!
It's a delight in the mouth.
It's a delight in the mouth. Now we are at Okay, hell with it. Aditya, please tell about this place.
The beautiful structure you're seeing now is the Mozam Jahi Market, which Ramcharan had a little difficulty of pronouncing its name. It was built in 1935 and it was named after the last Nizam of Hyderabad's second son, Mozam Jah. So initially it was called as the Central Market, but as time passed on, it was named as Mozam Jahi Market. So the wonderful part about this is when you take an aerial shot of it, it is a triangular structure and it has one clock tower and two minarets which are diagonally opposite to each other. So in the last 70 years, the structure faced a lot of problems. It was had definitely lots of cracks that were being developed. So in the couple of years before that, GHMC took it as one of its main projects and built it up from the scratch. And now when you look at it, all the new granite structures has been laid as a facade over it and it looks wonderful now. So now we have somewhere around 120 shops in these 1.77 acres, but a lot of them are unoccupied right now presently due to the COVID situation, and when it is fully occupied it will be a feast for your eyes.
So it was a long, delicious day, but what fun is it without dessert in your day, right? So we are right now at Famous Ice Creams in Mozam Jahi Market, and you already know this is one of the most iconic and famous ice creams in Hyderabad. So let's go ahead and get our sweet tooth. So that's the menu there. Some crazy items I read there. What is it? Tal Beauty. Oh, we have honeymoon also here. Chocolate Blast is also available. Ah. Interesting names, right? Almix is also there. Almix. Thunder Ball. What kind of ball is that? You have options to take tubs of ice cream as well from here. Nice fruit flavors. So I have ordered a double sundae for myself, and Nikhil took Sitafal, and Aditya has got some stupid fruit salad for himself. So it's called double sundae, but not really sure what flavors of ice cream are here. Let's give a shot. The jelly is really good, sweet and delicious, but I'm not getting the flavor of the ice cream yet. I guess one is butterscotch and the other is vanilla. They're really good. So that's it for today, guys. It was a super califragilisticexpialidocious day. The ice cream here was 80 rupees. This shows how affordable the food is in Hyderabad compared to the ever so expensive Bangalore. So I would share the details or the locations of all the places that I have been in the description box below, so that you can directly head to these places and enjoy these amazing food which are affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more such interesting videos, don't forget to hit that like button.
Subscribe and share with your friends.